Alright, so what we've got here is a 1958 Plymouth car front fender. I've actually got 4 of these fenders that I've been commissioned to make 2 good ones out of. This is for a custom car. This is basically the car that you see in the movie Christine. They don't make a lot of parts for these cars, so what I'm doing is taking some patch panels from one fender and putting them on another fender to make a good fender. So this is a patch that I've already repaired. I've already remade this whole bottom section here and TIG welded that in so that it's pretty much like new. This is a little bit of road rash that I gotta fix still, and then there was some Bondo in this area here which I pounded out and metal finished it for the most part. As you can see, somebody got aggressive with some 36 grit here, which I'm not a big fan of. I don't like using anything more aggressive than 50 grit. So anyways, what we're doing here is I've got my patch panel fit. As you can see, the fitment is almost perfect. There's no gap there, at least that's what we're going for. And then I've TIG tacked them together about every 3/4 of an inch. All the way around the edge. I like the way it's fitting up. I've pre-stretched them once just to kind of set the panels. I always make sure that if you can take your fingernail and run it across the seam, your fingernail should not hang up. That means you've got really good fit. Now we're ready to final weld this. And the way I like to do it is weld as much of it as possible without stopping. This will help prevent, well, it doesn't prevent warpage, but it helps us fix things if things do get out of hand later on. Helps you keep track of things in your mind. So anyways, here we go. You can see we've got a nice consistent heat zone. That's what we're after, and it's not very wide. It's about 3/4 of an inch wide. So there we have it. We've got our patch panel butt welded in, this 1958 Plymouth fender. Nice consistent heat zones all the way. Heat zones approximately 3/4 of an inch all the way. The only time we stopped and started was at the edge of these holes. Those are the original trim holes. We also used those to align the patch panel so that it's in the exact position, front to back, up and down. And then we also make sure that this body line lines up. If you'd like to see how to metal finish this panel, and we will end up metal finishing this fender so that it looks brand new, come to one of our seminars. You can sign up for them at hammerfab.com. We have them regularly throughout the year. You can go to our website and click on seminars. We'll have one on chopping tops every now and then. This one will cover metal finishing and this TIG welding process in most of our classes, but the panel construction class is a good one. And we're also thinking about doing a metal finishing class on specifically doing stuff like this. But anyways, thank you for watching. That's how we roll here at HammerFab.